Hello, Planeswalker. Welcome to One Pack Magic. We open one pack of magic cards. The horrors persist, but so do I. Jolabokaflod weekend continues with another pack of Lord of the Rings, Tales of Middle-earth. See if we can get a Gimli this time. Or any time for that matter. Alright. Starting off with some pretty wicked art. Theoden, King of Rohan. I like that. We got the showcase art for Islands. Alright, we got the... Zoom in a bit here because we're going to need to read this. Great Hall of the Citadel. Tap, land, tap one colorless. One tap, add 2 mana of any combination of colors. Spend this mana only to cast legendary spells. We got Gimli's Axe. 2 in a red, artifact. A quick creature gets +3/+0. As long as the equipped creature is legendary, it has menace. Can't be blocked except by 2 or more creatures. Equip for 2. Gimli's Fury. 1 in a red, instant. Target creature gets +3/+2 until end of turn. If it's legendary, it also gains trample until end of turn. Nice. Airborne Flamesmith. 1 in a red, dwarf artificer, 2/1. Whenever you cast an instant or sorcery spell, Airborne Flamesmith deals 1 damage to each opponent. Meneldor, Swift Savior. 3 in a blue, legendary bird soldier. 3/3 flying. Whenever Meneldor, Swift Savior, deals combat damage to a player, exile up to 1 target creature you own. Then return it to the battlefield under your control. Basically, you get to bounce someone. Gwaihir, the Windlord. 4 white-blue, legendary bird noble. 4/4. This spell costs 2 less to cast as long as you've drawn 2 or more cards this turn. Pretty neat. Flying, vigilance. Other birds you control have vigilance. That'd be pretty cool for a bird deck. Stern Scolding. Single blue instant. Counter target creature spell with power or toughness less 2 or less. Fool of a Took. This is a serious journey, not a hobbit walking party. Throw yourself in next time, and then you will be no further nuisance. Now be quiet. That's when the trolls show up. Lost to Legend. 2 white, instant, put target non-land historic permanent, from its owner's library, 4th from the top. Artifacts, legends, and sagas are historic. Lash of the Balrog. This looks like a set piece thing. Showcase art. Single black sorcery. As an initial cost to cast this spell, sacrifice a creature or pay 4. Destroy target creature. Goldberry, River Daughter. Got Tom Bomb's bomb wife. 1 in a blue, legendary nymph. 1/3. Move a counter of each kind not on Goldberry River Daughter from another target permanent you control onto Goldberry. Blue, tap, move 1 or more counters from Goldberry onto another target permanent you control. If you do, draw a card. We got a foil of Oath of the Grey Host. 3 in a black. As the saga enters and after you draw a step, add 1 lore counter, sacrifice after 3. Chapter 1, you and target opponent each create a food token. Chapter 2, each opponent loses 3 life, create a treasure token. Chapter 3, create 3 tapped 1/1 spirit creature tokens with flying. We got something from the list. Didn't expect to find that here. Originally from Oath of the Gatewatch. Mina and Dean Wildborn. 2 red-green legendary elf ally. Should be plural, but okay. 4/4. You may play an additional land on each of your turns. Ooh. Red-green. Return a land you control to its owner's hand. Target creature gains trample until the end of turn. Damn. Alright, let's do the rundown. I do like this. Honestly, that would be interesting. I would do a commander out of that. Just a whole bunch of lands, put a bunch of landfall creatures in it. Boom, they're ready to go. This one's pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's obviously made for multiplayer, but yeah, it's pretty. I probably would play that one. This one's pretty nasty in a good way. Basically move counters onto her, and then you can move them off onto other people. So that is pretty freaking sweet. Well, yeah. I mean, if you got token creatures, you can just sacrifice one of them. So make it pretty easy. Yeah, that's a pretty good nuke spell to get rid of something that's kind of a pain in the ass. Probably sideboard that one. Counter target creature spell. It's alright. I think Fool would do. It's not what I would do for that scene, but this one's good. This one's nasty, especially other birds you control. Make a bird deck, throw a couple of these in there. Well, technically only one, but yeah, 4/4 other birds have vigilance. This one's pretty good too. Whenever it deals combat damage, exile creature and then put it back. So that one's pretty cool too. Let's see here. Cast an instant sorcery. Yes. Especially if you put it in throw them into a spell heavy deck, which red does have a lot of good speed spells, so that'd be nasty. Got everything but Gimli again. This is nasty. 2 for 3/2 and trample, if they're legendary. Same with this. So put these two together, and you got a +6/+2 with trample and menace. So there's your 1-pack combo right there. And well, I mean, if you got them, yeah, the Citadel's really good, but I wouldn't really use it in. Well, at this point, legendary creatures are all over the place, so you could have that. I could see it as useful. Yes. All right, MVP. I know there's quite a few to choose from, but I'm gonna go with Gwahir the Windlord. That's my MVP of the pack, because I mean that would be a perfect commander to have a bird deck with. There are a lot of birds of white and blue, and also throw in a few spells that create bird tokens, and boom, you have an unstoppable bird army. It'll be Alfred Hitchcock all over again. In any case, I will see you tomorrow. Have a magical day.